Hello everyone, my name is John. I am a tour guide with Depot Adventures, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get to Base Backpackers. I'm already in St. Kilda, so to get to St. Kilda, if you're coming from the airport, you can book a Sky Bus service, which will bring you directly down here. Or if you're coming from the city center, you have to hop on a tram. That tram is going to be either number 3A, number 16, or number 96. That tram will drop you right here. You want to look for this big face over there. That's Luna Park, the amusement park. Look for the amusement park in that yellow building, the Palais Theater. Hop off the tram when you see it. The stop will be called Luna Park. And then you're gonna head over this way. From here, we have the McDonald's, which if you're not from Australia, get used to calling that the Maccas, because that's what we call it over here, Maccas. And so look for that McDonald's, and then you just wanna walk alongside it. You were almost there, don't worry. Base Backpackers is one of the top backpacker hostels in St. Kilda. It's kind of has a reputation for being the party hostel. There's always some great things going on at their bar, very popular with backpackers. It's also in a pretty good location because the beach is just behind those green shrubs over there. And then you have Ackland Street, which is a beautiful historic area. One of the places that you have to go to is Monarch Cakes, which is a bakery which has been there since 1934, and they serve a 100-year-old Polish cheesecake recipe when you go down there. So definitely worth going down that street where the 96 tram eventually terminates on. But remember, we're going to Base Backpackers, so we're just gonna continue walking down this street. We're gonna cross over at the crosswalk where it is yellow, just like that. And as we cross over this crosswalk, we are going to take a left. Just over here, and then the Base Backpackers will be right in front of us. When you get in there, you're gonna wanna check in. You'll need to show them some ID. And then they have a kitchen down in the basement. They have a great bar upstairs. Make sure to ask about their bingo, which they're pretty well known for over here. And also make sure to hop the tram. You've got the tram right here. It can be tempting when you're backpacking to just stay at home in your hostel, but walk around the neighborhood. There's some great spots to go explore around as well as go to the beach. There's a laundromat just over here, and the Base Backpackers will be just in a second. And I'll end the video just as I walk in the door so you can have this in real time. In the meantime, my name is John. I am a tour guide. I work professionally every day giving tours. I've got a team of people who work with me. For Depot, we have a Melbourne walking tour, the free Melbourne walking tour. If you're staying at Base Backpackers, they work with us and they will book you in to our tour for you. It's easy, you can come to it every single day. We also do a ghost tour and a hidden bar tour of Melbourne. Now, to know that you're at base, you just have to look for the red building. Can you see it? The red building is coming up right now. It's not the one with that black, right now it's Buxton on the garage. It's right next to it. Look through those glass doors, and then you have arrived. Welcome everyone to Base Backpackers, and have a lovely day. Thanks so much.